everyone, it's Margot.
I'm Kelly.
And we're from My Favorite Quilt Store. We're showing you here today one of the new Shannon kits that we just got in.
Yes.
It's called Home of the Brave, and it's got this beautiful, beautiful, you need to lift it up one second. Beautiful panel that's a Hoffman design that's digitally printed onto the Mickey / Cuddle fabric. So what that is the center of the quilt, and then we've got strips pieced along here with appliqued stars in the corner. This makes such a beautiful throw for someone that loves eagles in America because it's very patriotic.
This is a 58 by 68 size quilt.
So it's a nice size throw.
It does come with your binding and everything for the quilt top. However, the backing is up to your discretion on which you would like. It does take 2 yards. So we already have some pre-cut 2-yard bundles. These are really awesome. So you can see in the kit, it comes with 3 different fabrics that are used. From the red, there's the jean, and then the navy color. So we have all of those in the 2-yard cuts as well. So
we do.
If red is your favorite color, or blue, or navy, you can swap those out as you choose.
Yep. So you can pick the backing. They've also put this navy on the backing on this one, which we have, and it's got a navy binding on it. So I really like the jeans one. The jeans, the lighter colored.
It's what's right here behind the star.
Yeah, the star
like
right
that
there.
Color.
And I like that color with it. So all of these are options to choose if you want to view backings. You can get a 2-yard already cut piece that's wrapped up nicely. So when you get this in your package, it's not going to have like any extra fuzz or anything in it because it's already prepackaged and cut. So you're ready to bind it. You're ready to quilt it whenever you take that out of the package.
Yes, and both of these are wrapped in plastic.
Yes.
The yardage, if you do purchase yardage, that does not come in the plastic, but we do make sure it is wrapped up nicely when we do ship that out to you.
Yep. So check out the Home of the Brave quilt kit. I think you're going to love it.
Absolutely.
Happy sewing!